This iPad photo booth prints money? JIYANG booth tested at weddings, parties and side hustles. You know that feeling when you're trying to level up, maybe start that side hustle, boost your events, or just capture killer party content, but every tool you try feels like a toy? Cheap rigs, lighting that flickers like haunted house vibes, apps that crash harder than your ex's rebound. Yeah, we've all been there. You're stuck in a loop, wasting time, burning energy, and getting zero return on your effort. You want to go pro, but your gear keeps yelling amateur hour. It's like showing up to a wedding in flip-flops. You need a booth that works with you, not against you. Now amplify that frustration. You're running an event, guests are lining up, the energy's peaking, but your photo booth? Frozen. Again. You're sweating bullets trying to reset the app while your client silently judges every second. You just lost 10 potential social shares, 3 future bookings, and probably your weekend sanity. It's not just stressful, it's costly. Missed moments, disappointed faces, and worst of all, lost income. The event industry doesn't wait. You need gear that's reliable, fast, and professional AF. Anything less and you're just leaving money and reputation on the table. Cue the JIYANG portable iPad photo booth stand with ChatTalk VIP, a legit game changer that flips your party game and your bank account. Built for events, weddings, pop-ups, and social creators, this sleek booth comes locked and loaded with a custom app, ring light sync to music, and support for all iPad sizes, yup, even the chunky 12.9-inch. The ChatTalk software? Next level. We're talking AI filters, GIFs, videos, branded overlays, auto-social sharing, the works. And unlike other booths, this one's ready to rent out for instant ROI. You don't need to dream about becoming a photo boss, you just need to unbox this thing. Here's the deal, it's stupid easy to use, wild fun to interact with, and portable enough to take anywhere. The flight case? Rugged. The RGB lighting? Vibes. The interface? Drag and drop simple. Whether you're a YouTuber, TikTok addict, or just trying to monetize your weekends, JIYANG's got your back with features like event templates, remote control, GoPro Plus DSLR support, and printer integration. And yes, outdoor events? Totally doable. You get pro-grade performance, customizable content, and software support that makes Apple look slow. Want more info or a demo? Smash that play button and see it live in action. This booth doesn't just light up a room, it owns it. But don't wait, these photo booths are moving faster than TikToks on the For You page. With thousands of creators, event planners, and hustlers jumping in, inventory is tight. Oh, and JIYANG's offering 6 months of VIP software access free if you act now. No subscription traps, no shady upsells, just straight value. So, whether you're chasing profits, party vibes, or social clout, now's your time to shine. Click the link, secure your booth, and let the bookings roll in. This isn't just gear, it's your glow-up moment. Let's get you paid, fam.